Hi guys, what's up? How is going? Today I come up with new video. Please welcome to my channel Sri Tech Solutions. This video contains like sofa couch repair or replacement. Basically I'm not going for replacement. It is falling expensive. It is costing me around 700 USD and Indian rupees it is costing me 45,000 rupees. But my sofa was not fully damaged, or my resin is not fully damaged. Only two of the seaters which are most used containing recliners are worn out. So I have come up with a solution after picking some resources. I gone to Amazon and I bought some glue which is useful for sticking the resin, leather and cork, something like that. I got an excess material behind my sofa which is not visible. I have removed that excess material. Basically cut down that excess material and used it for sticking on my torn resin where there are a lot of cracks. It altogether costed me around $2.5 for the glue, which is 185 rupees in Indian rupees, and an hour of a time. So I am satisfied. After my repairs, my sofa was looking good and it did not cost me too much of money. So guys, if you have minor repairs or some cracks in certain portion of your resin or sofa, you can go for these procedures. Like any excess material you can cut down and stick it again, or Amazon is also coming up with stickers of resin of various sizes, like inches. You can go for that stickers and stick it over the place where your sofa can be used for some more years before you renew them. So guys, I am satisfied with my repair and my sofas are looking very good, and I have given the links below. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.